So I may have just turned my DJI drone into an airborne delivery weapon. Today we're talking about the M5 AIRDROPPER, a little device that lets you drop literally anything from your drone. So my mind automatically went to water balloons, flowers, and even mystery payloads. What's going on, guys? This right here is called the M5 AIRDROPPER, and basically it turns almost any drone into a flying payload delivery system. These are actually designed for legitimate stuff like fishing bait drops, rescue lines, and very small deliveries. But obviously my first thought was water balloons. So I'm not gonna lie, this is the closest I've ever been to becoming a movie villain. And once I realized this thing actually worked, well then I may have got a little carried away with the neighbors. I mean, at this point, Amazon should probably be worried. But jokes aside, the M5 AIRDROPPER is actually a surprisingly solid little tool. It's lightweight, it's dead easy to install, and it barely affects the flight performance whatsoever. Now, obviously, I don't want you going out there shifting heavy payloads on something like an Avata 360. And yeah, balance, safety, and your local drone lords should all play a part here. But for lightweight drops and creative content, this thing is genuinely awesome. So did I need to turn my drone into an airborne payload machine? Absolutely not. Was it one of the most fun drone accessories that I've tested in a long time? %100%. Now, if you're enjoying this, subscribe, because honestly, we're only getting started with this thing. Now, the dropper itself is actually controlled by a small remote. So once you've reached your acquired destination, well then one touch of a button and it bombs away. Now, if you guys want to test your own M5 AIRDROPPER, well then I'll leave a link in the description where you can pick one up. For me, it was really fun. I mean, I terrorized the neighbors for a good while. It's not about what the M5 can pick up, it's about what weight your drone can take. And obviously you're not going to be picking up really heavy payloads, but water bombs, flowers, snacks, even bait drops in the fishing area, it's all good. So if you guys want to pick up one of these M5 AIRDROPPERs, I'll leave a link in the description where you can get hold of yours and make some crazy content. Stay tuned, because we'll be testing this thing out completely in the very near future. I'm Adam from Drone and Lens. You guys have been absolutely colourful, and I hope to see you all in my next video.